Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for light sweet crude oil for Monday, April the 11th, 2011. Well, a bearish candle today, and we can see that we've got this very large red-bodied candle, and it's been some time since we've seen a large red-bodied candle, so there could be a change of sentiment in this market. Good potential for a change of trend here. We have the large red body denoting the sellers making very, very strong net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close. In bar chart terms, it's an outside day, and that's where the bulls have taken out the previous high, but the bears have taken out the previous low. So a very indecisive day and a very volatile day compared to the previous day. The indecision is because the bulls were strong enough to take out the high here, so they showed some commitment, however they lost that commitment. The bears were strong enough to take out the low, showed some commitment. We can see the shadow on the bottom of this candle where they also lost that commitment to the downside. Now, the loss of bearish commitment coincided with the previous resistance area at 109.75, the bottom of this large window that we highlighted from previous trading. And the market failed to close down below there, so that's a very important area for this market over the next trading day. This highlighted area in yellow, we did mention quite a few times that was a window from quite some time ago when the market sold off in a substantial way. It was a long time ago, but now we're seeing this window hold as resistance for this market. The window extends from roughly 109.75 up to 115.46. And we did suggest that anywhere within that window could hold as an area of resistance. Now, the trend is still up, however, so we do need to bear that in mind, but certainly the short-term dynamics are not supporting the trend to the upside any longer with this bearishness that we've got in this market, and the sellers have actually closed in control of this market today. In candlestick terms, this is also a potentially strong reversal pattern, and it's a bearish engulfing pattern, and that's when we have a prior uptrend, we have this bullish candle, and then on the previous day, and then today we have this bearish candle where the body of the candle completely engulfs the body of the previous candle, so a very, very bearish indication here. We do need confirmation of a potential change of trend and the reversal, and we would like to see a lower high and a lower low to confirm that change of trend, but technically the trend is still up at the moment. Now, the market is trading up above the cloud, so the market maintains its overall positive bias and still trading a fair way up above the cloud. The market's bullish in the medium term and fast term timeframes. We're trading up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen. And if we look at the Tenkan-sen, we can see here that we've got the influence of the potential support that it had to offer. We mentioned previously when the market has a lot of momentum in that fast-term time frame, and we can see that from the angle of the Tenkan-sen. If it's fairly steep, it means strong upside potential here. But that will act as the first area of support, and we can see the influence of that by the shadow on the bottom of the candle. So that's a very important area that we do need to watch over the next day's trading. If we do have a solid test down below there, then there is potential for the market to trade lower. Now, there should be strong support down at 106.95 if this market does trade off, and it was the area where the market held up and sold off a fairly significant a few months ago, and then it was tested down below and tested at that level again, sold off for a couple of days and then rallied up through there. So that will be an important area for the market if it does continue to sell off. Down below there, we do have potential support at the Kijun-sen, a minor swing low around 102.70 roughly, and then the round number at 100. So some important support down below. If the market continues to the upside, we do have the window for potential resistance, which extends all the way up to 115.46. So good solid resistance overhead. So watch the high of the current candle for any potential upside. But certainly a lot of bearishness in this market now with this large red-bodied candle. Look below 109.75 for a test below there, and down to around 108.80, and where the market's trading at the Tenkan-sen at 108.45.